Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on both devices, and you have to download the application to transfer data, and I recommend you to use the application name Clone It. Click on the install, and of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. And if you do, just open this application, click allow once and then tap allow a few times, and of course I have to click on the yes, I agree. And right now we are sending data from the Android phone, so click here sender, click on the set, turn on location, and then just go back. Click sender once again, and on our Xiaomi click receiver, click allow, and right here we have to also turn on location, go back, and click on the receiver. Click search again, and right now we have to wait a little bit. To connect you have to click on this icon, and we have to wait. We can scan the QR code as you can see, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the QR code, so tap on it, click allow, grab your phone and put it the frame into the QR code. And right now they are connecting. Accept the request. And right now if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons and then tap on the start. But if you want to send the details, maybe 1 or 2 files, you have to go right here below. And for example, I will go for the music. I'm going to unselect all of these files. And right now just select whatever you want, click on the start, tap on the OK, and it's finished. So right now we can check how it works. So go for the file manager, and it will be probably in the music, and as you can see, here it is. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.